Today I'm going to show how you can select audio channels of a video to be mono or stereo, and also fasten a video clip without messing with voice of narrator.
A critical part of success in any real estate transaction.
I speed up the video just to show how different is his actual voice.
Any real estate transaction is our ability to communicate.
Now check how he sounds like in faster clip.
Part of success in any real estate transaction.
Search for pitch shifter effect in Effects menu in Premiere Pro. Double-click the effect by selecting the relevant clip and go to Effects Control menu.
Yes, in any real estate transaction.
Press Edit in Custom Setup and drop down the semitones bar. Now check if it matches with his actual voice.
Part of success in any real estate transaction is our ability to communicate, anticipate, and
You can also fine-tune sense to make voice thick or thin.
a critical part of success in any real estate transaction is our ability to communicate. Success in any real estate transaction is our ability to communicate.
Now if you want to convert dual-channel audio to single channel, go in Project Panel, select the clip, right-click and modify an audio channels. As in my case, I want to keep both channels of the audio in the required clip, so I will keep it as it is.
Is our ability to communicate, anticipate.
Now you are ready to export the clip. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.